What's up, everybody? Michael Oliveros, Life After Death, Addiction and Incarceration. So I went from the federal penitentiary cell to doing what I love to do. I remember sitting in the cell, depressed as fuck, not getting no mail from anybody. Waiting for the day that I could come out to the lake and just fish, relax, get away from all the bullshit and drama. I didn't even know if I was ever going to make it home. But I made it. Now this is what I do. Instead of getting high, over here, me, Ty, Escobar, my roommate, best friend, son Robbie, our dog Gizmo, Barkley down there with Robbie, sleeping. But yeah, this is what we do, man. Bought me a little boat. It's not the greatest boat, but to me it's mine, and it's all I need, man. Three and a half years in the hole to this it's big for me. I gotta say, I'm proud of myself for it, man. So all you youngsters watching, man, put down the guns, pick up a pole, man. It's much better out here, man. Even though I look all thugged out, everybody out here on the lake camping, everybody's friendly. Everybody waves, says hi. Everybody's willing to help you when you need it. Sometimes it's nice to just get the fuck out the city. So yeah, I just thought I'd share a little bit of what I do. Keep me off the dope. Much rather be out here living life. You know, if I would have died back then in 2008, when I did die and they brought me back, man, I would miss this shit. If there's such thing as a soul. But this is what I used to dream about, think about while I was sitting in that cell, locked down 23 hours a day. Get out for an hour to go to the dog cage. Treat you like fucking animals in there. But you know what? This is how I beat them. I changed. Not too many motherfuckers out there change. And I wish they would. So if anyone needs any help, need someone to talk to, man, feel free to hit me up on my email, sirbarkleyjames@gmail.com. I'll take you fishing.
Look what I'm trying, bro. The blue crawdads catch the fish.
See? That's what we out here doing. We experimenting with fucking lures instead of fucking experimenting with fentanyl and pills and bullshit. I know it's hard out there, man, but if I can do it, you can do it. I was the worst of the worst, man. So hope everyone has a blessed day. Take care, and God bless, man. I'm out.